Hi, Daryl Whalen and Thomas Mower here with another short video featuring a project recently completed by Healthy Painting. This client was introduced to us on a previous project by Brad Cahill, residential specialist for Northwest Group Realty, a premier residential brokerage with our community and ethics as a top priority. This particular project, a very beautiful home, recently purchased by a great family on Mercer Island, was in the process of being moved into, was empty, and perfect for our project ahead of the furniture arrival. We were happy to have participated minimally in the color selection and were contracted to prepare and paint the two kids' rooms. This was essentially a brand new home for this family, and all of the carpeting was cleaned before our arrival. We were happy to accommodate by working in our socks for most of the project. Here are shots of the two rooms as we arrived. We laid down 2 layers of drop cloths to assure that nothing could reach the carpet. We removed the outlet and switch plate covers. We carefully tape all of the areas that we did not want paint. We would generally have the clients remove any drapery or window coverings, especially ones that are fragile, valuable, or sentimental, unless they are easily managed by our crew. In this case, the window coverings were custom made and custom installed by the previous homeowners, and were by no means easily removable. Therefore, we carefully double wrapped each of the 4 as we set up for painting. We removed all of the screens for the health benefit of the workspace, as well as our crew. We set up our commercial HEPA air filtration system that moves the air by drawing it into the unit, where it is cleaned through 2 separate filters. We brush cut the first coat of paint along all ceiling lines, base, and corners. We generally apply the first coat using a premium sealer matched to the color of the top coat, but this home, being almost new, the walls were essentially in perfect shape. Here are a few shots of both rooms cut in. We then roll out all of the walls. We then brush cut the second coat and then once again roll out all the walls. Once everything is dry enough to do so, we carefully take up the drop cloths, tape, and unwrap the window coverings, put back outlet and switch plate covers, and window screens. Here are finished shots of both rooms, just shy of adequately dry. And for the sake of perspective, a few before and after shots. We document all of the paint product information onto index cards, including color, brand, and sheen, and leave that with the client along with all leftover paint. We make a set of cards for ourselves for any potential future reference need. And that's it. On behalf of Tom and Daryl, we thank you for watching. Thank you to the homeowners for the project. We are always very grateful for each and every opportunity we receive. For all of your interior and exterior painting and painting-related needs, please consider Healthy Painting at healthypainting.com. Since 1978, the most affordable, healthy, beautiful, and 100% guaranteed interior and exterior old craft brush and roller method home remodel available.